Good day everyone, this is the top presentation of Group 7. Today, we are going to discuss about what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption.
To begin with, we are going to discuss about what to do before a volcanic eruption.
First, prepare an emergency kit with water, food, flashlight, and battery. Second, listen to the news and follow the authorities.
Third, plan an evacuation route so your family knows where to go.
Fourth, secure your home, especially roof and windows.
And fifth, wear a protective gear like masks and goggles when ashfall begins. After we discuss about what to do before a volcanic eruption, next we're going to discuss about what to do during a volcanic eruption.
First, stay indoors and keep all your windows and doors closed.
Second, wear a mask or a damp cloth to protect yourself from ash.
Go!
Third, avoid low-lying areas where lava and lahar might flow.
Fourth, turn off electric fans and air conditioning to avoid ash from entering. And fifth, evacuate immediately if the government officials tells you to leave.
Well done! Finally, we have discussed about 2 out of 3 about what to do before and during a volcanic eruption. Next, we are arriving about what to do after a volcanic eruption.
First, wait for official announcement that it's safe before going outside.
Second, clean ashfall carefully using masks and gloves.
Third, avoid drinking tap water until authorized confirm it's safe.
Fourth, check your home for damages, especially the roof.
And fifth, help your neighbors and report emergencies to local officials.
Now that we have learned about what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption, I hope you learned something important in this video. Thank you!